Hi guys, welcome to D2 Destinations. Today we're going to take a ride to Picnic Island. If you're ever in South Tampa, you haven't been there, it's a great little place for a picnic. They have a boat launch. They also are home to one of the disc golf courses where you throw the frisbee, and see a lot of people out there today doing that. It's a great little place tucked back in an industrial area, so you have to go through a shipping yard basically to get there, but it's a great place. And here's our turn into Picnic Island Park, operated by the city of Tampa. Alright, coming into the park, it's just a windy little road. Now it seems like you're more in a remote area, but you can still see there's an industrial building right over there. So we're just going to idle back through here and go to the boat ramp first. Okay, so here we are coming down into the boat ramp area, and doesn't look like there's a whole lot of activity today. That's a nice little boat ramp. I'll continue back through the park. Beyond the boat ramp, there's this nice windy little road that goes back in towards the picnic area of Picnic Island. On the right, that's the frisbee course, where instead of golf, you throw a frisbee. There's a guy doing it right now, trying to get over into this area. There he is, flipping his disc, ready for one more. There's the entrance to the disc golf course. So if you're into disc golfing, come on down to Picnic Island. Now we're at the entrance of the picnic area, where they have several shelters. You can bring your charcoal out and have a barbecue out here. Playground for the kids, a volleyball court. Just a great place for families to come out and relax for a little while by the water. The sailboat offshore out there, and someone camping. Down here it looks like we have a much larger party. See more of the play area here. There's a big, must be a birthday party of some sort. Alright, we just rode the Goldwing down here to Picnic Island, and here's one of the pavilions over here, and there's plenty of grass area here along with a beach. We're gonna take a quick little walk down there and take a look at the beach. It's a beautiful day for a walk down here. It's February, can you believe it? The weather's gorgeous today. So there's a lot of different places you can visit in Tampa. This Picnic Island is not one of the big beaches that you see people regularly on, but I think it's worth noting if you're in South Tampa. It's a great place to come. It's a campsite out here. And that bridge you see in the distance, that's the Gandy Bridge. That goes all the way over to Pinellas County from Hillsborough County, where we are here in South Tampa. Quite a few jet skis out there, and a sailboat over on the horizon. But it's a nice beach area if you don't want to go all the way to the Pinellas County beaches. And you can see the city of St. Petersburg on the horizon. Alright, so this is Picnic Island in South Tampa. We're going to wind back out here and head out to another destination. Thanks for coming along today with D2 Destinations to Picnic Island in South Tampa. If you're ever in this area, come on down, check it out. It's a neat little place where you don't have to travel all the way out to the Gulf beaches to see the water. Thank you for watching D2 Destinations. Please remember to like and subscribe so we can bring you more video. We will see you next time.